Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm doing a quick review on my favorite flashlight slash headlight that I use on my hiking trips. This little thing here, tiny flashlight, which is the RovyVon Aurora A5. This thing is awesome. This little flashlight is only 0.4 ounce, so let's call this super ultralight. It's IP66 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or anything like that. It's USB-C rechargeable, so quick and easy to recharge. Also takes around 60 minutes to be fully charged and will last up to 72 hours on the moonlight mode. There's a 330 mAh built-in battery inside. There's a total of 8 modes that you can access with it. This little flashlight has over 650 lumens, so super bright. It comes with a keychain attachment, which I don't use, and a clip under, okay? So you can clip it to your belt or to your cap, over or under, depending what you prefer. I always wear a cap, so when I put a regular headlight, well, the cap is hiding the light, so I have to look down. With this one, I don't. And it's super easy to start. You just double click on it and voila. So shut it. That's it. Double click, you open it. Then each click you switch the modes. If you long press it, you will shut it off. And if you press it 3 times, you go into the lantern side mode, which goes to like a yellow light and then a red light, which goes also blinking light. So it's pretty cool. You have pretty much everything that you need with a headlight with this one. So the flashlight is 0.61 inch wide by 2.38 inch long. So if you hike with a cap, this is the best flashlight for you. The clip is also a magnet which will stick to metal. Ta-da! So you double click to open it, and that's level 1, level 2, level 3, and moonlight, which is barely anything. And if you press 3 times on it, it becomes the lantern. And you have the yellow lantern here. Sorry if it's shining on you guys. So that's the first one. If you press again, brighter. Again, it goes red. And again, it will blink. And when you shut it completely, it will glow. That's so cool. So I hope you enjoyed that video. See you soon.